Hello and welcome to Blacky Tech everyone. Today we are going to unbox Flipkart's Smartbuy headphones which are provided by Flipkart themselves. So this is the packing from Flipkart. So let's just unbox the headphones. Okay, just keep it aside. This seems to be the invoice of the headphones. Okay, so this is the package. It's packed in this plastic and it has this label, if you can see, Flipkart Smartbuy E22MP. These are wired headphones which cost around $399, but I got them for 349 rupees. Okay, so this is the box. E22MP Smartbuy headphones imported by Flipkart India Private Limited, and the MRP quoted on this box is rupees 449. So let's just see what do we get inside the box. Okay, so it has packing over here. Okay, so it also has this cello tape over here. It has cello tape on both the sides. Okay, so there are these headsets itself, which are packed in very nice plastic bag. Let's just keep them aside and let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so this is very good. We get a pouch with the box, so we can store the headphones inside this pouch. So cloth pouch. We get two earbuds, two sets. One I think is a smaller one a larger one, and the medium one is on the headphones itself. Let's see the build quality of the headphones. Okay, so this cable is covered with rubber, which is, I think, seems a very good quality cable for 399 rupees, which is approximate 400 bucks. It even has this mic, so we can use this mic for receiving calls. Flipkart branding is there, so this is the official Flipkart's product. Flipkart Smartbuy. So this is it is a call receiving and call ending button, and I have heard that we can also double tap this button for changing the songs when we listen to MP3 songs on our phone. So that's all for today. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.